Hey, happy weekends mga Kai-Pro. Grabe si Gold, oh. 4 days nagko-consolidate. So we've been scalping gold naman throughout the whole week. No any major breakout buy positions or sell positions. Just scalp lang. Best way to approach it. Pero for now, pahinga muna tayo. Okay? Kung nagkaroon man tayo ng losses this week, let it become lessons. Para next week, hindi nyo siya ulitin. Reflect muna tayo sa mga naging trades natin this week. Okay? And tomorrow, pag-prepare natin once na nakapag-rest na tayo completely. Alright? Dapat ganitong weekend nag-cleanse tayo ng mga isip natin when it comes to trading para by Monday, fresh yung mga minds natin. Alright? Spend some time with the family. Okay? Have a little break. Don't do anything that can cause more stress next week. Kaya, enjoy muna. Okay? Kaya, see you sa Monday mga Kai-Pro. Happy weekend.